Injection na.
Hello. Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning,
Good morning, sir.
guys. Okay, so start. Let's start, guys. Good morning.
Online class na yun.
Sir, good morning.
Online class na yun.
Morning, everybody. It's beautiful Monday morning, and it's nice to start the day
Ayaw ka.
smiling.
Ingong si Sir 8. Start na niya 7.
All right. So before we start, who would like to lead a prayer for everybody, guys?
So, Facebook eh.
Hello, guys. Before we start, who would like to lead a prayer? Hello. So let's start. So let us give a 1 minute of silence to do your individual prayer silently. Okay. So let us have a 1 minute silence. Thank you. Okay, so beautiful Monday morning, and welcome to another session of your statistics. Okay, so I think most of us are on here, and let us start. Okay, since let me just admit everybody, since we already knew the definition of statistics, it's a branch of science, mathematics that deals with the collection, organization, analysis, and interpretation of quantitative data and such problems such experiments and decision making. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, were you able to get the one that I emailed, our notes? Hello guys, were you able to get the notes that I gave? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Can you
Sir,
hear
yes,
me?
sir.
Were you able to get the notes that I forwarded in our GC?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, in your own opinion and in your own personal experience, give me an example to where statistics is being used. Would like to answer first. Give me an example to which statistics is being used in your daily life. Hello guys, wants to answer? Hello? Hello? Wants to answer? Give me an example to which statistics is being used in your daily life. Hello guys? Hello? Okay, who wants to answer? Okay, so let me
Weather forecasting, sir.
yes, in what way, Arnold? Is statistics used in weather forecasting?
Weather forecasting.
Yes, in what way? In what way is it used in weather forecasting or statistics? Can you cite examples where statistics is being used in weather forecasting?
Yang siya.
Or, sir?
Of what particular instances would that be? By the way, everybody is free to by calculating what else and what way statistics being used in our daily life. Weather forecasting by calculating the kilometers per hour of what particular instances. Are you referring to a typhoon or tropical depression?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Instance. Let me just add to that particular example weather forecasting. For instance, at this particular kilometers per hour, there is statistical data that there will be a destruction of around 100 million worth of agricultural products. Or there is a statistical data that infrastructure worth 100 million will be destroyed. Okay, very good. So as guys wants to answer, in what particular instances is statistics being used in our daily life?
It's used mix planning and budgeting, sir.
Very good. Very good. So si Mama, no? Planning and budgeting. Si Mama. Very good example, si Mama. Si Mama is a statistician, right? He is very good in planning and budgeting. Example, you have a budget here. And this particular budget is being completed in a kahit sa kanya yung frustrated na ako ang labor, so gumagamit ng statistics. Somebody is 80%. John Levy Daliega. Okay, John Levy Daliega, you are raising your hand. John Levy Daliega, are you around?
Morning, sir.
Sige, go. John Levy. On what particular instances is statistics being used in our daily life? John, you want to answer? John Daliega, you want to answer? Okay, who else wants to answer? Let's guys, who will want to answer? What particular instance this says is statistics being used in our daily life? Somebody answered whether forecasting, management, and finance. What else? What else, guys? Pardon na muna ha, may nag-flash cut no sa TV. Passion mo sa tao ay nag-cut sa TV. Okay, who would want to answer? What else? What are the instances? Like, what are the instances where it's statistics? Who would want to answer?
Mariam, sir.
Okay, go. Okay, go. What else?
Sir, sa school, sir, can we use statistics to compute our grades, sir?
Compute?
Compute our grades.
Very good. Compute your grade. Okay, what else, guys?
Sir, compute all population, sir, kanang nagpuyo sa usa ka lugar.
Very good. To compute the full population of a particular place. What else?
Sa kuan, sir, sports and game strategies.
Very good. Very good. Sports and games and strategies. What else, guys? Ano man lagi na?
Kanang pila ka buok college students sa NC, sir.
Okay, very good. How many college students are presently enrolled in NC? Very good. Oh, what else, guys? What else? What other instances where it's being used?
Computing a budgeting, sir.
Okay, budgeting, computing the budget.
Sa
Especially
school.
budgets at school and at home. That's right. Okay, what else, guys?
Number of houses, sir.
Number of houses, okay? Alright.
Interpretation and representation of data, sir.
Presentation of data, okay? During your next coding, were you able to make statistical research and statistical data? understand?
Sir, excuse me sir, unsa dito yung question sir?
People to experience during your high school days, when you were able to do research, statistical research, and gather statistical data.
Sir, yes sir.
Yes. What was that? What was it all about?
Aning statistical data sir kanang nakagigama nga example sa una nagama mig product sir di yung girate namo sa mga estudyante pila ilang i-rate.
That's correct. That's correct. A very quick example, guys, is your surveys, right? Our prevention election. They use statistics in order to predict if they are capable of winning that position, right? They use lots of survey teams, lots of surveying companies in order for them to gauge if they are winning during the election. Alright, guys? Alright, guys?
Sir, yes sir.
Okay. So, this is a very reliable test in which you can really see if what you're trying to come up with will be really visible or true. So just imagine, all of the surveys, BBM was leading, and indeed, it was really true. He won the election by a very, very big gap, very, very big margin. So guys, in other words, statistics is very useful in our daily life. That is why we have to study them, and then of course, we will analyze the data on whatever particular surveys or research we will be doing. Okay? So in statistics, guys, please take note. In statistics, we collect data. That's number one. Number two, we tabulate data. Okay, when we say collect data, guys, it might be a questionnaire, observation, or an interview. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
In tabulation or presentation of data, we use tables, charts, or graph. Do you follow? And in analysis
Yes, sir.
of data, we extract relevant information from the organized collected data. Then we interpret the data. So after collecting, tabulating, analyzing, we interpret the data. If what we are trying to come up will give us a good result or a clear result on whatever data we are trying to analyze. Okay? So what are the steps in statistical inquiry? Number one, we choose the problem. Then number two, we formulate the research design. Number three, we collect the data. Then we code the data. Then we process the data and we interpret results. Okay? So in statistical inquiry, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps. Are you following, guys?
Yes, sir.
First, we choose the problem. Then we formulate the research design. Then we collect the data. Then we code the data. Then we process and analyze the data, and then we interpret results. Those are the 6 steps in a statistical basically two types of statistics, guys. No? We have the descriptive and the inferential. I think you have this one in your notes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when we say descriptive, it is concerned with summarizing and describing important features without attempting to infer. Okay, so topics include, sa descriptive, topics includes your central tendency. We will discuss on that later on. Variability, skewness, and kurtosis. Then sa inferential naman, okay, it requires higher order or critical judgment and mathematical methods. So what are the sample of this one? We use the t-test, c-test, correlation, ANOVA. Kanang ANOVA, guys, that is analysis of variance. Do you follow? You might encounter ANOVA. In other words, that is analysis of variance. And then chi-square test, that's another. And then we have the regression analysis. Okay, so when we are trying to differentiate population and sample, what is the basic difference between this one, guys? Population versus sample.
Sir, kuan sir, ning ang population sir, tibuok sir, dayong ang sample sir, kuan sir, gibahig na sila, male, female.
Okay. Ichang. Okay, ichang is ilain-lain. Is that clear? Guys, is that clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Kasi pagkatalo mo, saan mo differentiate ang population of sample? Ngayon po tang pariha raman lagay na, that is not actually, no? Okay, very good, that's correct. Huh? That is the main difference of that one. Now, again, we have a differentiation, parameters versus statistics. Kung sa may difference nila, guys, parameters versus statistics. What's the main difference of that one?
Sir, ako sir.
Okay, go.
Sir, a parameter refers to the numerical characteristics of the population like the population mean, the standard deviation, variance, and many more. Sa statistics, sir, is yan yung overall na branch ng mathematics na nag-deal sa theory and method of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting data. So one part lang po ng parameter sa statistics, sir.
Very good, no? So, minto si asa may mas dako, si parameter o si statistic?
parameter sir.
Very good. Perfect. Perfect. So, you are really understanding, no? About our topic. Okay? Okay, when we say variable, kasi pasapos sa variable, guys. When we say variable, pasapos sa variable. Hello guys, when we say variable, what does variable mean?
Sir, kuan sir, kanang variable sir, kanang nag-counting ka sir.
Masaning 1 o 2?
Or na quantitative data or
PDF.
qualitative data.
Okay. So, ang variable sa statistic line po sa variable sa science. Okay? But more or less, they are very much interrelated. Pero ito po, analyze it, medyo alaiba. When we say variable, guys,
Same ra ni siya. So, usara ko ilan na ni.
we refer to the attribute of persons or objects.
Ah.
We should assume different values for different persons of objects. have variables and control. Okay, let's go to science. We have variables and controls sa science. So if you can, who can give me sa science lang? Let's go to science. By the way, statistics is a branch of science. Okay, let's go to science. Who would like to give me the difference between a variable and a control when it comes to science?
Sir, ano sa dito yung question, sir?
When we go to science, no, what do you think is the difference between a variable and a control? When we say a variable, sa science ganit guys, ang variable kana siya ang maglain-lain. Do you follow?
Sir, yes, sir.
Ang variable. Ang control, that is your experiment or the test that will not change. O, di ba guys? That's the main difference ha. When we go to science, ang variable, muna siyang katong mag-usog-usog. Okay, sa may mag-usog-usog, diri mo na o sa inyo ang kinabuhi, sa may kusog-usog, muna, mag-usog, muna, usog-usog, muna.
Depende sa edad, sir.
Kasi isang mga batanon, isa may variable ka rin ka ng magsige kusog-usog ng una-una.
Daghan siguro, sir.
Matagal, wala yung hanggon.
Murag
Okay,
halos
guys,
tanan na,
now,
sir.
so those are that's the main difference between variable and a control when it comes to science. Okay? So last, before, so sa variables naman natay independent o dependent variables. Ang independent, that is the predictor. And then naman, ang dependent variable, that is the criterion variable. Okay? Then, okay, so, any questions, guys? May pasina pa mo yung klase karong Dubai to Guy. Any questions, guys? Para sa next na po na itong meeting, we will go to the classification of data. So far, any questions with our discussion?
None, sir.
Any questions, guys? Now,
None,
I want you to,
Wala na, sir.
I want you to answer.
sir.
Yes. Sige, Serena, go. What's your question?
Kato ang sa kuan, sir, katong gihatag ni mo nga sa DAGS na kuan ka ng activity, sir. December gihapon to sa atong unang gihatag ni ma'am.
Ano kang abit ka mga to?
Ma'am. Oo, nakaagi na mi.
Oh, sir, nakagama na yung ato, sir.
Last year na, guys.
Hindi ka. Karon na.
Sir, katong pulihan ni mo, sir, nga maestra, sir.
Okay. Nag-wait naman tayo mo, guys, no?
Oo, sir.
Sir,
Ay, okay. Sige, no problem. So, mo to siya last gihatag ni ma'am.
Sir.
Mo to siya activity ang last.
sir, sir.
Sige. I'll be making another one and then, sige lang, no?
Sir, pwede katong ang mga tayo pa, sir.
Sir, pero bili man tanan, sir. Wala pa gani may kadiscuss si ato pod.
Sige, correct.
Kada na lang among ipasa ko, di na may hanggang.
Sige. O, karon, ato sa itong kiwason, guys, bisag na doble siya, ato lang siyang i-apply sa ako ang kuan. Okay? O, mas may gani ka nakahimo na mudaan uban, guys, right?
Okay, sir.
Kami, sir, wala kami ato klasihi, sir.
Sige. Okay. Katong nakahimo na ato, okay, very good. So, repeat performance. Katong wala pa, himuhan ninyo. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Kaya pagkita na
Yes,
to
sir.
sa school, pass ka po, no? Together. Is that clear, guys?
Sir.
Sorry, sir.
Any other questions, guys? Any other concern if I'm going to dismiss you? Any other concern, guys?
Wala, Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Ito, I think
sir.
Okay, ingat.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Yes, sir.
Wala na tayo attendance, sir?
Ay, by the way, your attendance, no? Ikuan sa GC yung attendance, ha? Iputang sa GC nga present. You're present dali, okay?
Screenshot ra siguro, sir? Na may uban wala mo join, sir.
Yeah,
Wala kasunod, sir.
gani, magani. So, sa GC na yung name, please. Okay? Hinay upan nga hinay of connection, alright?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So, bye-bye, guys.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, so,
Bye, sir.
Uncle.
Out na.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes. Sir, kailangan mag-attendance, sir. Nalilip naman, sir. Sige, sige. Yan samahin yung mga concerns, mga... Ilaw mo lihat. Nga, dyan namin sila, Brad. Dyan sila. Namin bilis sila. Ilaw na. Gerard. Kami namin sila. Ay, sila, insi. Kalag-kalag. Taro na. Natay tari dito. Parehasa yung 10 mil. Kalag sila. Kapiso. Kami lang ako. Tari dito. Yata yung nagto.
Han? Darling.
Kulang.
Hi, guys.
Asa ka taron? Kalag-kalag taron. Naitari dito. Naitari dito. Concern guys. At kami dito sir. PM ragid mo. Amin tre. Umala dito. PM. Pag-atindan mo na. Pag-atindan. Arnold. Sa inilog. Inilog. Tulong. Preset. Amin tre. Ang alag ko. Vicente. Biya. Sugar jo kay kayo. Panogal. Pag-aari mo ka ba?